Have you always wanted to make money while you sleep? Have you been fed up with your 9-to-5 job and looking for a way to escape? This may be the most logical answer. Have you ever thought about all the things you could do with an extra $3,000 a month? This is your chance to make money passively, without any work on your part. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make $3,000 a month just by reading books. But before we start, make sure to stay till the end of this video as I will share amazing methods to make $1,000 a day. Also, I would like to remind you to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. I am always sharing new amazing and effective free methods, and you can do this from anywhere around the globe. Now, let's jump to our today video. Every day, there are millions of new books published on the market, and it can be overwhelming for readers who want to find their next great read. The good news is reading is a good way to make money. You can read books and get paid for them. There are many ways to make money from reading books, such as by reviewing them online and writing book reviews on blogs. There are websites that need people to review books for them. Some publishers will pay reviewers between $100 and $200 to post their opinions on the site, in exchange for an advance copy of the book. Here are some of these websites. 1. Kirkus Media. Kirkus Reviews is one of the most respected sources of book reviews. They're looking for people with experience in reviewing academic texts primarily related to English and Spanish, especially individuals with a keen eye for detail. 2. Any Subject Books. Any Subject Books is a full-suite self-publishing service. They hire book reviewers. They also give you books in your preferred genres. 3. Book Browse. Book Browse reviews books in both areas, generally focusing on fiction and nonfiction. But some books for young adults as well. They look to cover a variety of great books that are not just enjoyable to read but are also educational. 4. Online Book Club. One of the only sites that are open and transparent about the payment rates. Payments often range from $5 to $60. 5. U.S. Review of Books. U.S. Review of Books is an established nationwide organization that reviews books and publishes those reviews in a monthly newsletter. One way that you can become a reviewer is to request when a new book title is posted to get your copy and review. 6. Women's Review of Books. Women's Review of Books is part of Wellesley Centers for Women. This feminist magazine has been published for 36 years and is looking for more book reviewers to join its force. You'll be compensated $100 per review. 7. Booklist Publications. Booklist is one of the American Library Association's premier review journals and is known for assigning book reviews to freelance writers. They are all interesting, but some are a bit longer, so they might be better suited if you're looking to write a blog post or excerpt in the Booklist reader. You will get paid $12.50 to $15 per review. 8. Writer Full Books. Writer Full Books is an author services company that provides everything from beta reading to book reviews. As such, they're always on the lookout for book reviewers. You will get paid $10 to $50 for review. Now, imagine what it would be like to wake up and see $1,000 or more in your PayPal account each and every day. Now you can learn everything from the initial steps of starting making money online, to the best techniques for enhancing your strategy to make money online. Ready to take the next step with us? Get more information today. Click the below link and you'll be on your way to financial freedom. Thank you for watching till the end. Now if you found this video valuable, give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell to get all my new videos.